Guys, interconnect cable back on. I don't know if it works, but we'll find out. I'm sure it does. Okay. So, we got that up there. That's on the SDR play. That's normal. What the hell we got going on now? Yeah, it's 25 kilohertz wide. Let's go to 5. Alright. We should be on 3900. Oh, we're below that. Alright. Okay, so watch this. We're on this. That's normal RX for transceiver, and then see right there on the thing, I'm going back and forth. Okay. Putting it at 900. Let's go into the dummy load for 900. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be pretty close. I'm going to sound a little bit funky. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we got our transmit perfect. We need to get our receive perfect. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. And I need to, I'm on dummy load. Hello. Let's put it on AM and peak it. Okay. And that's assuming the tuner is tuned flat. Okay, let's see if we can hear these guys.
Go for it. Wait for the pass.
All right. I don't hear any of these guys real well. Oh, I can't record it. They'll get mad.
Been a long time since I talked to you. David, hello. And Dennis, hello.
We'll just try real quick.
You know what? I saw that on. I didn't see the show, but I saw the name and the ad for it and stuff. But I didn't. I never went to it. Maybe I'll check it out this time. Yeah, David, that's on YouTube. No, it's on Netflix. Anyway, that's what I watched, so I'm not sure I'm answering the right question. Yeah, you're on Group Army.
KG7H3R. Anybody hear me?
I don't know what it is. Effed up beyond all recognition. Well, it's a great thing for the insurance, but it is bizarre.
You never know when these guys are going to key up.
Well, anyway, good evening, Dennis and David. Anyway, for that. Rich is out here from Hanford. I was talking to him, and then this voice from the past came in named Rich, and I think I was kind of hogging it there for a while. I don't know if Chris is still there, but he was here. He was here for a little bit earlier. Somebody, so I just saw this. Hello, everybody.
KG7H3R. I don't think they can hear me.
Am I taking what? No, just listening. Yeah, but you can't be bashful. After the First you charge guys for
Can you put it on my dummy leg? Hello, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm right on frequency. I guess nobody can hear me. You guys hear that? That's the radio over there. These guys just not hearing me. I really don't feel like turning on the amplifier. Hello. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come over here. Yeah. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 100 watts peak power out of this thing. It's actually really good. You can kind of hear it. It actually sounds really nice. So we'll give it another try.
special design. Special design in half. Which I came up with.
We're going to go up to like 3916.
I would like to say something right now.
It sounds like a jammer. Anyway, I know it works, so I could use it on the Triple H net tonight just to be a weirdo. needs to be, but it's not on what I thought was normal. Hello? It's really hard for me to tune this thing and zero beat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get it. KG7HR, anybody able to hear me out there? KG7HR. Kilo Golf 7 Hotel Victor Romeo. I'm on a really old pair of Kenwood twin radios, so they're off frequency a little bit, I'm sure.
You sound pretty good on the Russian River.
Hello, David. How you doing?
Good to hear you. So is this a new one, or where's this one come from?
I've had them for about a year, and then I couldn't get them to work. I had to resolder the transceiver cable, and I just wanted to make sure they were still working, and I knew you guys should probably be able to hear me. So I just wanted to say hello to Alex and David and everybody, and all the other guys on here. This is Bram over here in Arizona.
I recognize you there, Bram.
Yeah, I'm using a pair of broken Kenwood twins. The AGC doesn't work on one of them, so when somebody comes in really strong, they just blow me out of the chair.
Receiving a little off. Kenwood twins.
One of them is a trio, and the other one's a Kenwood, so they actually don't match. Anyway, thanks for letting me jump in there, guys. It's kind of hard to hear because I really don't have an AGC circuit. It's just, I have it on off. Otherwise, it's really aggressive and it doesn't let me hear anything. So I'm just going to listen and enjoy the conversation.
All right. I think Dennis up there for a bag said that someone's looking for the speaker for one of those.
Yeah, I don't have the speaker either. I'm looking for one too. There you go, guys.
Bram buys a lot of radios, old radio gear, so you must know. So, real quick, Dennis, what was good at the swap?
So Dennis does the swap net, but we can't hear him real well on here. And you can tell I have moved off frequency a little bit, so even the receiver drifts. But these would be really cool to fix up, like somebody that had the time or already had other ones.